Hey everyone, it's Sammy from Scrapmaster's Paradise. Today's video itself is not actually really about the digital planning, but it is about keeping my 2019 goals neat and organized so that I can keep track of the projects and layouts that I'm doing. So originally I thought I would scrapbook every day, but it doesn't seem to be super practical with what I'm doing right now. It seems like I'm alternating. I'm getting into the scrap room at least a couple nights a week, which is great. So it keeps me mindful of getting in here and scrapbooking. So this is my digital planner. I did a whole walkthrough on it over on my Sammy's Sweet Life channel, which is more of a mommy and lifestyle channel. So I'll link to the video down below where I walk through like the whole concept of digi planning and walk through practically every page in my 2019 digi planner. So if you're interested in like the setup of this, you can check that video out. I'm just talking about the goals and organizing part for the sake of this video. So I have the scrap every day habit tracker that goes through the whole year. So January through December, all on one page. And I have that hooked up to one of my tabs up here. And then the next page, I have 100 layouts in 2019. And so this is where I'm keeping track of the number of layouts that I'm doing. I'm writing the titles in, and I have this 2-page checklist that's just a freebie that I found. It's from Day Designer. And so on the top here, I just wrote with some text, blog and YouTube, since there are 2 boxes. So I make sure that I'm sharing these on the blog and on YouTube, and I'm numbering as I go. So my goal is to average about 2 layouts a week and 1 card a week. So for January, there's about 5 weeks. And so I make my goal here 10. I added a little January title, so I know that's my little January section. Of course, if I make more than that, I'll just keep the list going. I'm also trying to blog these as I go, so I just know which ones come next and I'll blog those ones next. And then for the next page, I have 50 cards in 2019. And again, it's a 5-week month, and so I have 5 cards here. That's averaging about 1 a week, which is my goal. So 1 through 5 is there. And again, I write the name of the cards. I have the blog and YouTube side, and it's titled with January. That's a really nice, easy way for me to keep track of all the projects that I'm doing. And with the digi planning, I can add in a new page when I need to, because obviously this is way less than 100 spaces. I can make sure that I have enough room for all of the projects by just adding in more pages as I go. I also have this page. I think I've shown this before on this channel possibly, or at least I know I've mentioned it on the other channel, but these are just my pages to complete. I still need to work on 2017. Lots of individual pages on 2018, which I actually have to mark off the 2 I made recently. So I just highlight them. So I did Livy in a Box and also the half birthday. So those are the 2 I just did most recently. I've got to mark them off as I go. That's easy for me to see what I have that I can actually scrapbook. The photos are already in the right places in the album, so I could just go and grab them out. And then that's it as far as keeping track of my scrapbook progress. I really wanted to share this list with you guys so you guys can see I'm keeping track of my stuff in a neat, organized fashion. I do have a blog page I'll show you guys as well. I do have a posting schedule here as far as what I plan on scrapbooking and card making on the blog. I do have my YouTube videos planned out in iCal, and I may switch this to iCal at some point too, but here I've got things color-coded for cards, layouts, challenges that are due. I've been trying to play along with the Lawn Fawn Challenge, and I'm also going to try to play along with the Simon Says Stamp Wednesday Challenge, and so it's due on Wednesday. Actually, it's probably due on Tuesday, but I'll look at it on Wednesday, so it's just written there. And then I marked when the Lawn Fawn ones are due. I also want to pull out some of my Greeting Farm stamps and do some cards with that as well, because the Lawn Fawn challenges are every other week, so that leaves me 1 card making week. And as far as this new release, I'm going to be having a planner shop, so it'll be planner shop related. It's not really scrapbook related, it's planner related. But I think that really covers everything I wanted to talk about in this video. I'm just trying to keep myself organized, and I've incorporated in, my scrapbook section and my blogging section into my digi planner, and it's been working out really well for me so far. I started using a digi planner at the end of November to December to January. This is my second full month in this planner, and I've loved it so far. So if you are interested in more digi planning stuff, definitely check out that link down below. I'll link to my digi planner playlist and also just my digi planner walkthrough for 2019 for you guys. I'm doing more tutorials and videos related to that as well, because it's something I just absolutely love right now. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.